morning, class 7. So today I am going to start the chapter Europe. Europe is second smallest continent of the world है with only Australia being the smaller. Australia सबसे छोटा है, उससे पहले है Europe. Now the landmass of Europe is a contiguous with that of Asia, a continent that is nearly 5 times larger, and geologists refer to the combined landmass as Eurasia. Europe और Asia को combinedly बोलते हैं Eurasia. Now Europe lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. It extends from around 71 degree north to 31 degree north latitudes and from 10 degree west to 60 degree east longitude. Prime meridian जो है और the 0 degree longitude ये पास करते हैं Greenwich near London से, and the Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north latitude it cuts the North Europe. Now the continent stretches from Iceland in the west to the Ural Mountains in the east, and from the Svalbard archipelago of Norway in the north to the islands of Greece and Malta in the south. Arctic Ocean it lies in its north and Atlantic Ocean to its west, and Mediterranean Sea, the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea south में है. Strait of Gibraltar जो है in the southwest ये separate करते हैं Europe from Africa. Ural Mountains and Caspian Sea ये separate करते हैं Asia को in the east. Now the area of Europe including the islands around the coast is more than 10 million square kilometers. Now Europe is often referred to as peninsula or peninsulas. Why? Because Europe is a peninsula of a massive Eurasian landmass. तो बड़ा सा Eurasian landmass के part ये है peninsula, क्योंकि 3 sides पे ये water से bounded है. While many of its regions such as Iberia, Scandinavia, and Balkans and Italy, they are also the peninsulas. Political divisions of Europe. Europe का 51 independent nations है, and its largest is the Russia, while the state of Vatican या फिर Vatican City हम जिसको बोलते हैं, that is the smallest. The Vatican City is the smallest country in the world in terms both area as well as in the population. Now some of the countries of Europe like Russia, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Georgia and Turkey ये सारे transcontinental है. They lie partly in Europe and partly in Asia. After the World Wars, Europe witnessed 2 major political events. दोनों major political events हुआ था. 1990 में ईस्ट जर्मनी और वेस्ट जर्मनी रीयूनाइटेड हो गए थे सिर्फ जर्मनी बोल के, और 1991 में सोवियत यूनियन जो था या फिर यूएसएसआर वो डिवाइड हो गए थे 15 कंट्रीज में. यूक्रेन, आर्मेनिया, एस्टोनिया, लातविया, जॉर्जिया, बेलारूस, लिथुआनिया, मोल्डोवा एंड अजरबैजान that lie in Europe. Now based on their shared history, culture and geography, certain distinct regions are identified in Europe. Some of them are, first is Iberia. Iberia में पड़ते हैं Spain, Portugal and Andorra. Balkans में है Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Greece, Montenegro, Romania, Serbia and parts of Croatia, Macedonia, Slovenia and Turkey. Next is the Scandinavia. Scandinavia में है Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Iceland and part of Finland. 1993, several countries of Europe they joined together to form the European nations. तो यूरोपियन नेशंस फॉर्म करते हैं, एंड द फिजिकल फीचर्स. अच्छा, यूरोपियन नेशंस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल इकोनॉमिक एंटिटीज इन द वर्ल्ड टुडे. नाउ फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ यूरोप में देखो, देयर आर 4 फिजिकल फीचर्स. One is the Northern Highlands, then is the Great European Plains and the Baltic Shield. Third is the Central Uplands and fourth is the Alpine Mountain System. Northern Highlands को बोलते हैं Western Uplands that stretch across the Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, Iceland, Scotland, Ireland, Northwest France, Spain and Portugal. Now they are composed of ancient crystalline rocks. During the ice ages, Europe covered रहते थे ice sheets से and heavily eroded and scored the Northern Highlands. Now this reduced their elevation and left them looking like dissected plateaus. And गैल्डोपिंग एट 2469 मीटर ये हाईएस्ट पॉइंट है नॉर्वे का, जो कि स्कैंडिनेविया में है. आइस शीट्स एंड ग्लेशियर्स आल्सो कट डीप वैलीज इनटू माउंटेन्स एंड लेटर व्हेन द आइस मेल्टेड वो सी पे एंटर करते हैं, एंड दिस वैलीज फॉर्म द स्टीप साइडेड नैरो एंड लॉन्ग इनलेट्स फॉर्म करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज इनटू द माउंटेन्स, सच इनलेट्स आर नोन एज द जॉर्ड्स. एंड नेक्स्ट इज द Sognefjorden is the longest and deepest gorge in the Norway. Next comes our Great European Plain and the Baltic Shield. The Great European Plain a lowland है and stretch from the Atlantic coast of the France in the west to Ural in the east. ये shape है triangle जैसा and broad in the east and narrow towards the west. Most of the plain that is lower than 150 meter in elevations. ये plain जो built होते हैं glacial moraines से and alluvial deposits from the rivers like the Seine, Rhine, Ems, Elbe, Vistula and Volga. Now the Great Plains consist of many river basins and the fertile soil that are ready and availability of water makes this basin ideal for agriculture. London Basin, Paris Basin, lowlands of Germany, Poland and the central Russian plain, these are the most important basins of this region. Smaller plains जो है वो है Andalusia in Spain and Lombardy in Italy and Hungarian plain. Most of the rivers of this region, they are navigable and they provide cheap and easy means of transport. The flat nature of the terrain, its navigable river, the availability of water, its mild climate and fertile soil that have ensured that this is one of the most densely populated regions of Europe. तो ये है most densely populated regions. Baltic Shield जो cover करते हैं Norway, Sweden, Finland and northwest Russia used to be covered by the massive ice sheets and the oldest rock of Europe. These are found here. Today it is covered with a layer of glacial deposits and thousands of lakes and streams are found here. Moraines क्या होते हैं? That are eroded materials that carried by the deposited by glaciers. तो ये eroded material है जो कि glaciers carry करते हैं. Moraines only occurred in places that once had glaciers. जहाँ पे पहले glaciers थे वहीं पे moraines होते हैं. Now next is the central uplands. Lying south of the central Great European Plains are the central uplands. ये extend होते हैं western France and Belgium, parts of Germany, Czech Republic, Switzerland and Austria. And this region consists of several thick forested mountains and plateaus. बहुत सारे forested mountains और plateaus है. यहाँ का elevation है 800 से 2000 मीटर तक. Important plateaus जो है वो Meseta Central in Spain, Massif Central in France and the Ardennes in Belgium and Luxembourg. Some of the important mountains of this region are Vosges and Black Forest and next is the Taunus Mountains in Germany and the Ural Mountains in Russia. Then comes the rivers of this region. They have carved out many valleys and the Rhine Rift Valley a graben है between the two horse that is the Vosges and Black Forest. Vosges और Black Forest दोनों ही block mountains है. Next is the rich coal reserves है कहाँ पे Ruhr, the Saxony, the Saar and the Franco-Belgian coalfields. These are found in these valleys. Next comes our alpine mountain system. It's a series of young fold mountains that lies in the south of the central uplands and these mountains were formed when layers of sedimentary rocks such as sandstone and limestone they were compressed by the movement of tectonic plates. Now the alpine mountain system क्या क्या चीज include करते हैं कौन कौन से mountain chains यहाँ पे है. First is the Sierra Nevada in southern Spain. Then is the Cantabrian mountains in northern Spain, Pyrenees that lie the border between the France and Spain, then the Apennines which run through Italy, then the Alps that run in a broad arc northwards from the Mediterranean coast of France along the boundary between the France, Italy and eastwards through Switzerland, Germany and Austria and then southwards into Yugoslavia. Mount Blanc है highest peak in the Alps. Dinaric Alps है in the northern Balkans and Balkan mountains है central Balkans में. Carpathian mountains है central and southern Europe में. Caucasus mountains that lie between the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea. One of the ranges that separates Europe and Mount Elbrus जो कि Caucasus mountain में है. ये highest peak है Europe का. Alpine mountain system it's a zone of active volcanoes. यहाँ पे Mount Etna जो Sicily में है and Stromboli and Mount Vesuvius that near the city of Naples in Italy. These are all the active volcanoes. So up to this today rivers and lakes से हम next day को start करेंगे. Thank you.